So a car we usually don't do around here is a kit car. So the car was a 1993 build Unique Motorsports Shelby kit car. Unique, based out of Alabama, has been building Shelby kit cars now since the late 70s. They've been building Shelby's Cobras longer than Shelby built his own Cobras. So the reason I decided to do this car is because of the engine and what the gentleman put into the car to make it more of a true car without spending $1 million for a true CSX car. He spent the money and sourced out a true 60s 427 side oiler. He also sourced some true Shelby AC CSX parts and incorporated in the car. The AC pedals were true, the shifter was true shifter, the door hinges, the door latches, the hood latches. So if you look at the car and you're not an expert on Shelby CSX cars, then you might get a little fooled on this car. This car was done correctly. It would cost you 6 figures to build this car today. This one demanded respect. When you pulled around the corner into a car show or Cars and Coffee, heads turned because that thing pounded the ground and was everything you would want in one. It did dyno at 618 and 634 foot-pounds of torque, and that little car was just a beast. So I've sold real, true Shelby cars, and I think the last one that I assisted on was, I think it went for like 980s, and that's a lot of money to put in a car that most times these guys don't drive them. With this car, you're able to drive it, enjoy it. You're not scared of rock chips. You're not scared of pulling into Cars and Coffee and someone parking next to you. So the car was a very cool car. Brought it in. It didn't take long at all for me to put this car out to some of my private collectors. And I think it was the 4th guy that looked at it and said, yeah, I gotta have this car.